According to TST Tourism Company, helicopter tour, the first of its kind in the city, allows tourists to view the sprawling metropolis from high above at a price of $178 per person.
I'm quite excited and asked my family and friends to come along. The price is reasonable and value for money.
There are different options available with flights of 20, 40, 50, or 80 minutes over the inner city and coastal conserve districts, as well as the Cánh Đồng Bất Tận Atmosphere tourism area in neighboring Long An province.
As soon as we launched the new tours, we received many requests from both individual and company customers.
The tours fly at heights ranging from 200 to 300 meters, depending on the terrain, and passengers undergo a medical check prior to the flight. On the 40-minute journey, the helicopter departs from the helipad at Military Medical Hospital 175 or Tân Sơn Nhất International Airport and takes tourists over destinations such as Phú Mỹ Bridge, Thủ Thiêm Bridge, Landmark 81 Tower, and the Bình Khuê tourist area. The travel company uses AW189 helicopters with a maximum of 16 passengers. The new tours are expected to become an essential part of any visit to the southern city, which hopes to welcome 25 million domestic and 3.5 million foreign tourists this year.